What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MVIS stock. First of all, brief information about this company. MicroVision Incorporated engaged in the development of laser beam scanning technology. It offers its product under the PicoP brand. PicoP scanning technology has addressing the following market segments: interactive and non-interactive projected displays, 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for consumer electronics, augmented mixed reality and 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for automotive active collision avoidance. And we are on MicroVision website and as you can see they have a bunch of technologies and all of their intellectual property is protected by patents. And they have a bunch of products in development. It is a projection engine, interactive projection engine, consumer 3D LiDAR sensor, projection engine for head-mounted displays, and in my opinion the most promising, and it is the most promising in the opinion of their C executive, it is the automotive 3D LiDAR sensor. And since my previous video, I found this article. It was published on March 16th, 2021, and it says MicroVision visualizing the massive bubble that will likely end in tears. Expect 90% downside. And let me quote 4 bullets of its summary. While the MicroVision has not attracted the same level of attention as GameStop, both firms' price appreciation appear to have no attachment to reality. MicroVision's LiDAR ambitions are pipe dream in my opinion. By the company's own statements, they have no concrete timeline for a commercial product and refuse to release diagnostic data. The company ended the year with the zero product revenues in Q4 2020 and reported zero in inventory on the balance sheet throughout the entire 2020 fiscal year. I believe MicroVision's run will end as all speculative manias do. With cracks in the share price already appearing, I expect the market cap to return to its long-running average or less than $200 million, representing 90% in downside from current levels. And as for me, I completely disagree with this opinion. And as you can see, it is very bearish according to author's rating. And let me give you my thoughts on this step by step. So this bullet is the main concern about this company because in author's opinion, the main driver of share price, it was Reddit users and it was all the hype around GameStop and stonks on Reddit threads. And in my opinion, it was some help from this standpoint, but I think it wasn't so big. And I think the major catalyst for the price was their R&D development, especially with their LiDAR systems. And the main concern of the second bullet that they don't have any information about a deadline of their product release. But on their fourth quarter results press release, you can find the information that Samit Sharma, the MicroVision's chief executive officer, said, "I expect that the A-sample hardware and benchmarked data for demonstration to interested parties will be available in April 2021 timeframe. I also expect that a version of our first generation long-range LiDAR sensor, after internal validation, reliability and compliance testing, could be available for sale in small quantities in the third or fourth quarter of 2021. And I think it is quite exact deadlines for the company because they have to make some preparations, and in my opinion, anytime soon we might see the exact date of their presentation. And about their revenues and Q4, let me quote CFO of MVIS company, it is a Steve Holt. And he said that I'm very pleased to announce that we ended the fourth quarter with total cash and cash equivalents of 16.9 million, up from 5 million in the prior quarter. In addition to the $16.9 million in cash balance, we raised net proceeds of $16.4 million from 2 ATMs we completed in January and February of 2021. This puts our balance sheet in the strongest position it has been in for many years. And based on the December 31st cash balance and the 2021 proceeds from our ATMs, we anticipate the financial statements that we will be realizing shortly will no longer have a going concern opinion, and are very pleased where the company is today. And this this amount of money, I mean more than $60 million, it is more than enough to operate the company during several years. As you can see, they expect that their cash use in operations for Q1 2021 will be in the range of $5 to $5.5 million. And if we compare this number with this number, they have more than 10 quarters of potential operations if this amount will be the same. So I think it is pretty stable and it's not so bad that they don't have revenue from the sales. All the revenue is from royalties. It's not so unusual for the company that made R&D and they just working on their product, and it's very good that they have patented technologies that might bring more money on the table for this company. And this statement is just pure opinion of authors' beliefs, and I think we cannot have 90% decline in price with this company. On top of that, I want to show you this information. It is institutional owners of this company, and we don't have any new feelings since my previous video, but it is also a good sign because latest feelings from, for example, from Vanguard funds, they are increasing their share in this company, and all the companies, they hold strong their position, and this means that at least these institutional investors, they are strongly believe in this company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So as you can see, we are hovering in the range of between $18.9 and $15.5 marks. And it is some kind of consolidation phase. Let me switch to 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, we forming some kind of triangle possibly, and when the apex breaks, we will see some price action that will be above or below these two levels. Let me show it to you, this level and this level. And in my opinion, we are very healthy for now. Let me show you indicators. We hovering right in the middle of neutral zone, and MACD is ticking to the upside on 1 hour time frame. Let's switch to 3 hour time frame. Again, we are on neutral zone on RSI, and we start to gain positive momentum. Basically, we start to lose negative momentum, and after we cross the zero line, we will have some positive momentum. On the 4 hour time frame, we have absolutely the same picture. And let me switch to daily. Yes, we have absolutely the same picture according to RSI, and MACD indicator, as you can see, we have this bar a little bit lower than the previous one, but the last bar is quite low, and this means we might go to the positive side anytime soon. And in my opinion, it is a great company, and here was our main accumulation points. And what should you do if you want to invest in this company, if you believe in this company and you've already done your own due diligence? Basically, these accumulation points, they are still viable, they are still 100% legit, and if we go lower, we have these levels as your key levels to accumulate your position. And let me show you the targets. From our accumulation point, we have this target of 0.786 level at around $28.24 mark. It is the most probable zone of hitting by the price, and it is a 0.786 extension from the third wave. One-to-one extension is around $33 mark, and the most aggressive target is 1.618 extension from the third wave, and it is around $47.5 mark. So that's it for now, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.